Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix account suspended on Uber. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is check your activity page right over here, because sometimes on this notification, there will be detailing the reason, like expired documents or policy violation. If it is document issues, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and re-upload your valid documents. If none of those work, then you might need to contact support via the app's help section. In order to do that, simply go to your account tab and tap on help. Finally, you want to simply go ahead and tap on account. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for other support. Simply go ahead and look for your exact problem, so which is going to be suspended. Simply go into your account setting, or you could also go to can't sign in. Tap on chat support right over here, and this is where you can simply go ahead and get help from them. So simply go ahead and go to chat right over here. And finally, you'll be able to give them your complete problem. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.